What's up, y'all? I did a thing last night. I gotta show you. I think my dad would love it. I added more fiber.
Whiskey eyes, some ashtray breath, on a church rock,
And then
gravel
got shipping. This shipped today, and over here. Even added lights there. Didn't have before. Super stoked about it. Love how it turned out.
Like trying to remember words to a song nobody wrote.
I got them coming next, and I'm gonna put some here.
And it's sad.
Miss your dad.